Welcome to RTO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss here class 7th maths, chapter 3 simple equations exercise 3.2. See here, in solving equations, we have two methods with transposing, without transposing. If we are transposing the terms, how the symbols would be changed, we can see here in transforming terms from LHS to RHS. See here, plus quantity becomes minus. You can see here, plus quantity becomes minus. Minus quantity becomes plus. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus only. See, if it is multiplication, multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. It will become division quantity. You see, division quantity becomes multiplication quantity. Just you can remember here, plus to minus, minus to plus. If it is multiplication, you can mention it as division. Division will become as multiplication. Once you can see here examples. See here, solve the simple equation x plus 2 is equal 4. See here, we need to find the variable of x, so that you can transpose 2 to RHS. See here, 2 having with symbol plus, so that it will become subtraction. See here, plus 2 becomes minus 2. Just now only we have learned plus will become minus. Yes or no? If I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will become plus 2 is become minus 2. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2 only. You got the answer. Yes or no? 4 minus 2 is 2. In the similar way, once you can see here, x minus 2 is equal 4. So here we need to find here x only. So that here minus 2 is, if you are transposing to RHS, it will become plus. Yes or no? Minus will become plus. That means I am writing here, see, x is equals 4 plus 2. Minus will become plus. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. That means x is equal to how much? 6 is your solution. See here, 3x is equal 4. That means here 3 is times of x. That means here 3 into x. That means here operation is which one? Multiplication. If you are doing multiplication, if I am transposing to RHS, it will become division. Yes or no? That means you can write here x is equal to 4 by 3. That means here 4 division 3 only. This is your solution. See, if it is division, if it is division, it will become multiplication. See here, x is equal to 4 into 3. That means x is equal to how much? 12. 12 is your solution. Very, very easy problems here. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Multiplication will become division. Division, that means here x divides 3 or not. So that 3 will become is your multiplication. 4 3 12 is your solution. We can do detail in the exercise problems. See here, exercise 2, question number 1. Solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. First of all, once you can see here, x plus 5 is equal to 9. Already we have learned this kind of problems with trial and error methods in the previous exercise problems. See here, we are using here without transposing. Once you can observe here, what is the LHS here? X plus 5. We need to find only x value. We need to find here how much, which value? X value. So that you can subtract 5. You can do here subtracting 5 from both sides. From both sides of the equation. See here, subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. Why? Because it is addition. If it is addition, you can do subtraction. See, for example, if it is subtraction, you can add it. Adding 5 on both sides of the equation, you can write here. But in the question, they are given addition. So that here I am doing subtracting. Subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. See here, to get. Therefore, you can write here x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. Yes or no? If I am subtracting 5 on both sides, See here, plus 5 minus 5 cancel. That means you are getting here how much? X is equal to 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. X is equal to 4 is your solution. In that question they are asking check your result. How can you check here? Check means just you can substitute here. Substitute X is equal 4 in the given equation. We need to check is LHS is up equal to RHS or not. See here LHS. LHS value is how much? X plus 5. That means here X plus 5 is equal. That means here 4 plus 5 is equal to how much? 9. LHS is 9. Once you can check here RHS. RHS value is how much? 9 only. Yes or no? 9. See both are equal or not? Is LHS also 9? RHS is also 9. So that X is equal 4 is the solution of the given equation. Therefore you can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Verified or not? Yes. See here another problem. Solve the simple equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. First of all I am writing here given equation. Given equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. See here once you can observe here on the LHS of the equation 3x plus 4 we need to find here x value. Once you can observe here it is plus 4. So that you can subtract 4 from both sides. You can do here subtracting 4 from both sides of the equation. Both sides to get. See here therefore I am writing 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 19 minus 4. Here plus 4 minus 4 should be cancelled. You can write here 3x is equal to 19 minus 4. How much here? 15 or not? Yes. Once you can observe here LHS we have here 3x but we need to find only x value. Yes or no? We need to find here only x value. So that it is 3 times of x. So that you can write here dividing. You can write here dividing both sides. Dividing both sides by 3 only. We dividing both sides by 3 to get. See here 3x by 3 is equals 15 by 3. That means implies 3 cancel 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. That means x is equal to 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. That means x is equal to how much? X is equal to 5 is your solution. But in that question they are asking check. They are asking here check. How can you check? You can see here check substitute x is equal to 5 in the given equation. X is equal to 5 in the given equation. What is the given equation? Once you can see here 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. That means I am writing here see LHS. LHS is equal to 3x plus 4. That means you can write here 3 into 5 plus 4. That means 3 5 is how much? 15. 15 plus 4 is how much? Here 19. RHS is equal to how much? RHS is equal to 19. Once you can check whether both are equal or not. Yes, therefore you can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. Yes or no? Yes. See here another problem. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Solve the equation. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Once you can observe here the variable is available on the both sides of the equation. That means LHS available and RHS also available. So that you can make the variables to one side. That means you can see here you can subtract 5x from both sides. You can subtract 5x from both sides. Here I am writing. Therefore I am writing here see subtracting 5x from both sides. From both sides. See here, I am writing 3x plus 8 minus 5x is equals 5x plus 2 minus 5x. Here minus 5x, sorry, here plus 5x minus 5x should be cancelled. Yes or no? Yes. Here 3x minus 5x is equal to how much? See here another problem. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Solve the equation. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. The given equation I written as 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Once you can observe here, the variable is available on the LHS and RHS. Here LHS and RHS. So that which variable is available on the right side, you can see here 5x. So that you can subtract it. Subtracting 5x from both sides. Here subtracting 5x from both sides. From both sides we get, see, 3x plus 8 is equal, sorry, 3x plus 8 minus 5x. Minus 5x is equal 5x plus 2 minus 5x. See here I written here subtracting both sides, minus 5x minus 5x. See here plus 5x minus 5x both should be cancelled or not? Yes. Here in plus 3x minus 5x, that means here 3 minus 5 it is equal to minus 2 or not? Yes. Minus 2x plus 8 is equal to here how much? 2 only. Now you can see here on the LHS of the equation is plus 8 is available, plus 8, so that you can subtract 8 from both sides. Therefore you can write here subtracting 8 from both sides. 8 from both sides implies you can write here minus 2x plus 8 minus 8 is equals to minus 8. So here plus 8 minus 8 cancel. That means you can write here minus 2x is equal to 2 minus 8 is how much? 2 minus 8 minus 6 only. Yes or no? See, once you can clearly, we need to find only x variable, so that you can transpose minus 2 to RHS. That means here 2 times of x means you can divide the equation with minus 2, so that you can write here dividing both sides, by minus 2, that means you can get here, see, minus 2x by minus 2 is equals minus 6 by minus 2. See, minus minus cancel, 2 1 cancel here, minus minus cancel, 2 1 2 3 ja. That means implies you will get here how much? X is equal 3 by 1 means 3 only. X is equal 3 is your solution. But once you can see here in the question they are asking check. That means you can write here checking. See, that means substitute x is equal 3. Substitute x is equal to 3 in the given equation. In the given equation, see here LHS value is how much? Here LHS is equal to 3x plus 8. That means once you can see here 3 into 3 plus 8. That means 3 3 is how much? 9. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. Yes or no? LHS is equal to how much? 17. In the similar way, you need to find here RHS. RHS. See here, RHS value is how much? 5x plus 2. That means you can see here 5 into 3 plus 2. That means you can see here 5 3 is how much? 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is how much? 17 only. Yes or no? See, LHS 17, RHS also 17. That means therefore LHS is equals RHS. This is your solution. Just we need to check whether it is LHS is equal to RHS. It is 100% equal. Why? Because we have found the solution of the given equation. See here, second question. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. First question, you can see here 2 plus y is equal to 7. Here the condition is by transposing the terms. Transposing the terms is the very easiest method. See here, first of all I am writing given equation. Given equation is 2 plus y is equal to 7. See here, we need to find here the variable is y only. Yes or no? So that you can transpose 2 to RHS. That means you can write here y is equal to 7. See, it is plus 2. If I am transposing to RHS, it will become minus 2. In the brackets, you can write here transposing 2 to RHS. 2 to RHS means you can see here implies y is equal 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. Y is equal 5 is the solution of the given equation. See here, in the question they are asking check your result. See here, check. That means substitute y is equal to 5 in the given equation. The given equation. See here, LHS value is how much? Yes, you can see here 2 plus 5. That means 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. In the similar way, you can see here RHS value is how much? See in the equation, RHS is 7 only directly. See, both are equal or not? Yes or no? 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, you can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. This is your solution. See here another question. Solve the equation 2a minus 3 is equal to 5 using transposing. See here, first of all I am writing given equation. Given equation is 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. See here, variable value we need to find here a only. So that you can transpose 3 to RHS. Already it is minus 3. If I am transposing 3 to RHS, it will become plus or not? Yes. So that you can write here 2a is equal to 5 plus 3. 2a is equal to 5 plus 3 in the brackets. You can write here transposing 3 to RHS. Already we have learned if it is plus, if it is become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus only. That means you can write here 2a is equal to 5 plus 3 is how much? 8 only. See here, we need to find only a value. So that you can transpose 2 also right side. See here, 2 times of a means it is 2 is multiplying. Yes or no? If it is multiplying, if I am transposing to RHS, it will become division or not? Yes. So that you can write here a is equal to 8 by 2. In the brackets you can write here transposing 2 to RHS. 2 to RHS. See here, it is multiplication. If it is comes to RHS, it will become division. 8 by 2 means 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. That means a is equal to how much? 4. A is equal to 4 is your solution. But in the question they are asking check. How can you check? You can see here check. Substitute a is equal to 4 in the given equation. So that you can write here LHS. LHS is equal to how much? 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3 is equals 2 into 4 minus 3. 2 4 is how much? 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 only. Yes or no? LHS is 5. RHS is equal to how much? RHS 5. See here, RHS is equal to 5. See here, LHS 5, RHS also 5. Both are equal or not? Yes, you can write here. LHS is equals RHS. This is your solution. Just you need to find here the variable value. After that, you can substitute the value in the given equation. Whether you can check either LHS is equal to RHS or not. Then is it your solution is completed. See here one more question. Find 2x plus 4 is equal 35. The given equation is 5 into x plus 4 is equal 35. See here we need to find only value of x only. So that see here 5 times of x plus 4. 5 times of x plus 4 means it is 5 into. So that you can transpose 5 to RHS directly. See here I am writing x plus 4 is equals 35 by 5. In the brackets you can write here transposing 5 to RHS. See here 5 into means it will become division. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35 implies x plus 4 is equal 7. We need to find value of x only, so that you can transpose 4 to RHS. It will become plus 2 minus. That means you can see here x is equal 7 minus 4. In the brackets you can write here transposing 4 to RHS. See here x is equal 3. X is equal 3 is your solution. Now you need to do check whether the given equation LHS is equal to RHS or not. See here check means substitute x is equal 3 in the given equation. Sir, what is the given equation? Find x plus 4. That means LHS is equal 5 into x plus 4. That means you can see here 5 into 3 plus 4. That means you can see here 5 into 7. 5 7 ja 35. LHS is equal to how much? 35. In the RHS how much? RHS is equals 35 only. Yes or no? See here in the given equation RHS is 35 only. Therefore you can see here LHS 35, RHS 35. Therefore LHS is equals RHS. This is your solution. See here one more question. Solve the equation with transposing the terms. 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. The given equation is 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. See here we need to find the value of variable x, so that you can transpose 3x to LHS. That means you can write here 5x. See, if it is plus 3x it will become minus 3x is equal to minus 5. In the similar way you can transpose minus 3 to RHS. Here plus 3x to LHS, minus 3 to RHS. Here plus 3x will become minus 3x, minus 3 will become plus 3 only. Yes or no? Yes, in the brackets you can write here transposing 3x to LHS minus 3 to RHS. Here which are very easiest problems. Just you can remember here the given equation we need to find the value of x, so that you can transpose 3x to LHS. It will become minus 3 to RHS. It will become plus 3. See here implies 5x minus 3. That means 5 minus 3 is how much? 2x is equal minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 means you will get minus 2 only. Yes or no? Yes. Similar way you can see here we need to find x only, so that you can transpose 2 to RHS. 2 times of x means 2 into x. That means if I am transposing 2 to RHS it will become division. x is equal to minus 2 by 2. In the brackets you can write here transposing 2 to RHS. 2 to RHS. See here 2 anja. That means minus 1. X is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 1 is the solution. But in the question they are asking check. How can you check? You can see here check your results. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the given equation. See here what is the equation. Once you can see 5x minus 3. LHS is equal to how much? 5x minus 3. That means here 5 into minus 1 of minus 3. 5 1 5 only, minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 you will get minus 8 only. LHS is minus 8. In the similar way you need to find here RHS. RHS is equal 3x minus 5. That means here 3 into minus 1 into minus 5. See here 3 into minus 1 how much? Minus 3 only. Minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 how much? Minus 8. See LHS minus 8, RHS minus 8. Therefore you can write here LHS is equals RHS. This is your final solution. Just you need to substitute and check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. This is your solution. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 7th Maths playlist videos.